Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us. Today we show you how to make your dolls their own Chanel makeup. Craft easy lipsticks and colourful lip glosses. Make cute custom compacts of foundation or blush in your doll's favourite shades. Our Chanel products were made from everyday household items and crafting materials. Pop them in a doll handbag or display them on a shelf. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe to support our channel. So, let's get making! For our lipstick, we are using a clear hot glue stick. Cut a 4cm piece. With an X-Acto blade, carefully slice one end on an angle to look like the top of a new lipstick. For the lipstick case, we are using a black bubble tea straw. It has a 1cm diameter. Cut a 2cm piece. Using computer paper, we want to build up the thickness of the glue stick so it fits snugly inside the straw. First, wrap the clear glue stick with your wider strip of paper, sealing the end with adhesive so it won't unravel. Next, add the shorter strip. Put more adhesive on the short strip of paper, then slip it inside the straw. With low-tack tape, cover most of the case, leaving just a few millimeters showing as seen on screen. Mask off the lipstick section too. Paint the area in between gold. For the actual lipstick colour, we will use nail polish. As you do with your nails, apply many thin coats to build up opacity. The polish gives our lipstick a glossy finish, but if you prefer a matte lip, you could use acrylic paint. Finish by painting the base black to match the casing, and add a thin strip of gold cardstock for that iconic Chanel elegance. For a cap, cut off a 2.5cm piece of straw. On a non-stick surface, squeeze out a blob of hot glue and place one end of the straw into it. Once the glue has cooled, peel off and remove the excess glue from around the edge of your straw. Paint the top of the cap black and you're done. Make more lipsticks in all different shades so your doll is ready for every occasion. Next, let's craft a quick lip gloss. For this, we are using a square dowel of balsa wood cut to 4 cm. Cover the sides and one end of the balsa wood with sticky tape so we can paint it with nail polish. This time, we have chosen a soft neutral shade. For the lip gloss cap, adhere a 1cm wide strip of black cardstock around the top. Wrap it twice to give the cap more dimension. Under the cap, adhere a thin strip of gold cardstock. Paint the top black to complete the lip gloss tube. Let's add to the collection by making our dolls custom foundation and blush palettes. For the larger compact, we used an American Girl phone from our collection as a size reference. On paperboard, draw a rectangular template with rounded corners. Trace and cut out 5 pieces for the base, 2 for the applicator section and 4 for the lid. You will also need a piece with a tab that will connect our lid and base. On silver specialty cardstock, cut a mirror piece that is slightly smaller than the template. Take your applicator cutouts and punch a circle on one side for the foundation. On the other side, cut away an oval for the sponge applicator. Stack and glue all the base pieces, then adhere just the tab of your connector piece. Put more glue and affix the first of your applicator cutouts. For the makeup, we use paint sample cards since they come in so many colours and shades of colours. Use the same punch to get a circle of your desired foundation colour. Glue it into place. Now, stack and glue the 4 remaining cutouts to the lid. Next, adhere a 5mm wide strip of cardstock around the front and side edges of the lid. This is how we will keep the compact closed. Here, we modified the template, making it smaller for individual blushes, and used a smaller size punch to cut circles from our paint samples. When all the glue has dried, paint the outside and the inside of the compact black. Note, you only need to paint the oval side black, since we have the second applicator cutout to glue on top for a neat finish. cut an oval of white fun foam for the sponge applicator. On black cardstock, write the Chanel logo in white gel pen. Cut it out and glue to the top centre of the lid. Repeat for the blush compacts. Have fun making your dolls all kinds of Chanel makeup. If you haven't already, subscribe to Always Dolls and hit the bell icon so you get notified as soon as a new video drops. Thanks for watching and see you soon for more miniature crafting fun!